또 갑자기 2대로 오게 됐네요. 오늘은 좀 특별한 친구를 만나볼 건데요. 제가 예전에 짧게 워킹홀리데이 생활을 호주에서 했었는데 그때 만났던 영국 친구를 한번 만나볼까 합니다. 근데 이제 문제는 그 친구는 완전히 영어권 친구이기 때문에 이제 의사소통이 조금 걸리긴 합니다. 오늘 그 친구 만나서 좀 한국 구경도 좀 시켜주고 맛있는 것도 좀 먹고 막 그렇게 해보겠습니다. 예. 예이! Yeah. It's okay?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah. How can I express this
What?
happiness?
Looking good.
You good?
Yeah, you?
I'm good. Nice weather, huh?
Yeah, beautiful.
Beautiful.
So what do you want to see? Yeah, I feel bad because the weather's so bad, so you can't see.
Okay. Did you have lunch?
No. I just had class, but I didn't class now.
Okay. So where are we heading to?
I don't know.
You can choose. You know, I don't usually speak in English in my video.
I know.
Yeah. So today I'm gonna stutter today a bit. So we have to decide. Japanese food, Korean food. You can choose. Up to you.
Should we have Japanese food?
Japanese?
Yeah, I
Okay.
didn't ask.
Japanese food in Korea.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. There's no rule there.
Oh.
There is. 이 친구가 일식 먹고 싶다 그래서 왔습니다.
What's your number?
My number?
Yeah.
010518. Now you got my number.
This one, yeah?
Yeah, okay. Let's check the menu. Okay.
I want to try the best one.
You like the salmon?
Yeah, I like.
Raw one?
Mm.
Sure.
Of course.
You can say 주문이요.
주물요.
주문이요. 대사님 여기 샤케노 버터야키 정식 하나랑요 샤케동 정식 하나 주세요. 버터야키 하나, 샤케동 하나. Let's go to drink coffee.
Coffee?
Yeah.
I need the coffee.
I need to. Feel tired? No?
Yeah.
You couldn't sleep last night because of me?
Because of you?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah. No way.
Did I dream of you? No.
So what is your ideal side?
Certainly. I like a caring guy.
Carrot man?
Caring.
Caring.
Yeah. No,
Caring.
so kind.
Kind guy.
And
Person who wearing a orange hat.
you are mischievous.
어우, 귀엽다. 네, 감사합니다.
잠시만요. 버터야끼 어디 드릴까요?
겉할게요? 메뉴 이름이 뭐예요?
버터야끼.
버터야끼요. Salmon and mushroom. You can try if you want.
Okay. You too?
No, I don't like salmon.
You should try.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. Good? Oh, so good. 이 버섯이 버터에 절여져가지고 맛있죠.
Good.
This is marinated with butter.
Oh, really?
Butter and oil. You know? You like it? Okay. When I was young, I can try the salmon.
Yeah.
And that was my one of the favorite food.
Like this?
Yeah, the raw
Why
one.
not? Why not now?
I don't know. Suddenly it looks like weird,
Oh, really?
like an alien.
And I've been the alien. Oh.
You like soju?
Yeah, I like.
Let's go soju tonight.
Soju?
Yeah.
These days I've been drinking 2 bottles
2 bottles.
alone.
Did you have the fruit soju or normal soju? Normal one.
I got the normal. Before I couldn't drink that.
Let's go to hell.
Hell. Okay.
I think you can't go home.
I should go home tonight. Yeah.
I will not make it. What is my ideal type?
You must need to ask you.
You mean the appearance?
What?
Person who has yellow hair and blue eyes.
I don't have both. Mine's not blue.
Okay. Turn right at the intersection and just go straight. And it has great mood, right? Let's go. You wanna try some desserts?
What do you like?
Tiramisu?
Do you like tiramisu?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
my favorite one.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm ready for coffee.
Let's do it. Cheers. You like tiramisu, right?
You don't know?
After you, gentlemen.
Oh,
It tastes like deep
really
and
means like quite deep texture.
deep texture, yeah. You're still learning Korean, right?
Yeah. I had Korean class today.
Oh, really? When you first met, you like Korean culture. So, what is the biggest reason?
So I got interested.
You just interested in Korean
I like the culture, like the history.
history, especially what?
I learned about the religion. I study religions here.
Christian.
Christianity.
So, what do you want to do most in Korea when you come to Korea?
One thing I really wanted
Yeah.
to do was go to Han River.
100 what?
Han River. Han River.
Hangover.
Han.
Hangang.
Hangang.
Hangang. Let's go. It's nearby here. Ah, it's raining.
My friend, I promised my friend I would
really?
go.
It's cool.
Sorry.
You already promised your friend today.
It was supposed to be Sunday. I know, but he won the first time.
Ah, really? Who is he?
My friend,
Just friend. I don't understand why you care about that.
I don't like to break the promise.
I know. Everyone don't want to break the promise, but you can do first with me.
Well, I don't want to disappoint
Oh,
someone. I'm so kind, right?
yeah. Too much kind. You're like an onion girl.
Onion.
When I take off onion skin,
You learn more.
oh, cute, kind, charming. You know,
Good one.
yeah.
I'm
Onion.
like, do I smell like onion?
Yeah,
And I'm
no,
like,
no.
oh, what?
You took the ginger before at that Japanese restaurant, so you smell like. It's more beautiful
Yeah.
after rainy, right? Style of the building is not from Korea, right? Does it look like Western?
Kind of like English.
English, right?
Yeah.
Goes well with you. It's nice view.
Oh, really? Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
You look shy, right?
Yeah. I'll be a few minutes.
Yeah, take your time. See you. Okay, let's go, pink girl. Have you ever heard about Iksan-dong?
Oh, yeah.
There are so many coffee trees over there, but it's very beautiful. You'll be satisfied. You're gonna talk to me. Wow, is this real Seoul?
Okay.
We are in Seoul. Yeah, it's a nice view. Yeah. It's so pretty, right? This is like Korean traditional house type, you know? Look at the roof.
Oh, like here.
Okay, let's go to the heaven. You ready?
Yeah.
Nice mood, right? Huh?
Really?
Yeah. And this is really popular restaurant here, and the spot photogenic is here. So we have to wait. It's good, right? I will take a picture 100 times, okay? My feet should be at the bottom of the angle, right? And I should be in the middle, center.
Oh, maybe I can't take the good
My leg should be long.
like that.
So I think we're just walking. And find some place to eat. What is your favorite food in Korea?
In Korea?
Yeah.
I don't think I have the favorite Korean food.
Uh-huh.
If you want pork belly, we can have.
Pork belly. 안녕하십니까. 두 명이요.
네, 편한 자리.
아, 네, 여기. 제일 이쁜 자리가 어디예요? Oh, this flower behind you. It's better. Oh, just one. Wow, good. You like it? 감사합니다. 오우 쉣. 잡았어. 잡았어. 나이스 캐치. 나이스. Hey, there you go. 소주.
뭐야? I should come for you, right?
아. It's pizza, right?
I like pizza.
It has soup. Oh, so. Yes.
Thank
go.
you. 고마워.
Go. Hey, take it.
It's gonna be hot.
Yeah. How's it?
또 센다.
짠. 넓어. Lettuce.
I know this.
Lettuce. Yo.
아.
Oh, sorry. There you go. 짠. Cheers.
Yeah, I thought that was pretty good.
Okay, do it. You have? Okay. Do you have confidence?
Yeah.
Let's go. Let's do it. Let's hang out. You go first. Okay.
Hey.
What's up? Yeah. 친구. 근데 오늘은 친구하지 말자.